Hello students of class 10. This is the third part of the revisional video of your pre-annual syllabus, that is waste management. In this chapter, I will discuss the question answers that was previously given in the PDF. I think all of you have written in your copy. Let's discuss the question answers once. So first question was, what are manure pits? Manure pits are hollows dug in the ground in rural areas in order to decompose the biodegradable waste. You know what is biodegradable waste? So what is manure pit? A hole is dug on the ground, hollow is dug on the ground. In the rural areas, the hollow is dug in the ground where the waste are dumped to decompose the biodegradable waste. The household waste are thrown into it along with some cow dungs. These waste start decomposing and convert the biotic manure, and they are used for agriculture. Next, landfilling. Landfilling is the most common and old method of waste disposal where the waste is buried under the ground. But this method is not so much used in the modern way because it creates huge vacant place. Next, very important, not at all given in your book, that is what is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is the thermal decomposition of material at elevated temperature. Elevated temperature means at high temperature at inert atmosphere. It involves the change of chemical composition and is irreversible. The word pyro means fire and lysis means separating. So this is a process of separating the waste by using of heat energy. Next, eutrophication. Eutrophication is a process by which the body of water becomes enriched with dissolved nutrients that stimulate the growth of aquatic plants life, usually resulting in depletion of the dissolved oxygen. This is eutrophication. Next, composting. Composting is an easy and natural biodegradation process that takes organic waste like kitchen waste and turn them into nutrient rich for the plants. So composting is a process by which add humus to the soil, that makes the soil fertile, and in that fertile soil agriculture can grow well. Next, scrubbing. Scrubbing is a process of removal of waste from gases. The gases filled with solid waste are passed through water. This makes the water particulate high. Scrubbing is a process of removing of the gaseous waste, and scrubber is a machine which is used to remove the gaseous waste. Next, leachate. This is also very important, not given in your book. Leachate is a liquid that is passing through the matter extract soluble or suspended solid and other component of the material through which it passed. Now, you know 3 R's: reduce, recycle and reuse. These are the 3 R's already discussed. Now, what are the 4 R's? 4 R means reduction, reuse, reduce and refuse. This is the fourth point in 4 R's, that is refuse. Okay. Now, full form of BOD, important, biological oxygen demand. Full form of GAP, GAP means Ganga Action Plan. Next, what is fly ash? Fly ash is a substance that is generated from power plant, thermal power plant, and it is used for making bricks. What are e-waste? Already discussed. What are e-waste? E-waste means that are discarded from electronics medium, that is old computer, laptop, mouse, keyboard, etc. Now, DDT, dichloro, diethynyl trichloroethane. This is the full form of DDT. Next, differences between biodegradable, non-biodegradable waste already discussed. Now, differences between toxic and intoxic waste also discussed. Role of students in waste management, points are given that you have to write. What is waste management? What are the 3 R's in waste management? This reuse, reuse, reduce and recycle. That portion you have to write. Next part is the Ganga Action Plan. Very, very important. Ganga Action Plan. This was launched by Rajiv Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, on 14th January. The ultimate object of the GAP or Ganga Action Plan is to have an approach of integrated river basin management considering the various dynamic interaction between biotic and abiotic ecosystem. Next, vermicomposting. Very important part. Vermicomposting is a product of the decomposition of process using various species of worms. Means where worms are used. Okay. Usually white worms, earthworms to create mixture of decomposition. Vermicompost. Vermicast is the end product of the breakdown of organic matter by the earthworms. Whatever I told you to read from the book, you will read, and apart from that, these question answers already given in your PDF. You should read these question answers. This chapter is very easy and interesting. Read the chapter thoroughly. This is in your pre-annual syllabus. This is coding chapter also. So, read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.